Hello students, myself Milan Patel, Assistant Professor at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today's topic is about types of stairs and classification of stairs. So let's begin with types of steps. There are various types of steps like flare, bull-nose step, round-ended step, split step, commode step, dancing step, and winder. Let's discuss one by one. A flare is an ordinary step of uniform width and rectangular shape in plant. This is a regular type of step, you can say. Second is bull-nose step, which is exactly shown in figure 8. It is generally provided at the bottom of the flight, projects in front of navel posts. Its end near the navel forms the quadrant of a circle. Okay. Third is round-ended step. It is similar to bull-nose step except that it has semicircular end which projects out from the finger. You can clearly see in figure B. Next is split step. It is also provided at the beginning of the flight with its end near the navel post. Split. Okay. You can clearly see the split portion of step in figure C. Next is commode step, which is shown in D, has curved trade and riser. You can clearly see curved type of trade and riser in the beginning of the stair. Okay, this is called as commode step. Next is dancing or balancing steps. Okay, these are winders which do not radiate from a common center. Okay, so this is called as dancing type of step. Next is winders. Winders are tapering steps such as those which radiate from a point usually situated at center of navel. Okay, so this is you can clearly see the winder at the center portion of the stair in figure F. Okay, so these are the various types of steps. Now let's see the classification of stairs. There are mainly two types of stairs: straight stairs and turning stairs. First, we will see the straight type of stairs, or you can say straight flight stairs. In this type, the stair runs straight between two floors. It is used for small houses where there are restrictions in available width. The stair may consist of either one single flight or more than one flight, usually two with landings like this. You can clearly see in this image, one landing is provided in between these two flights. Okay, so this is called a straight stair. Okay, here stair runs straight between two floors. You can use single flight or two flights in this straight flight stairs. Okay. Second type is turning stairs. The turning stair is further divided into various types. First is navel stairs. A navel stair is one which has a navel at the foot and head of each flight of the stair, and in which navels are conspicuous features. Okay. Second type of turning stair is well or open navel stairs. In well or open navel stairs, lateral space is left between these turning flights. Open navel stair present the good appearance and also it is very strong. And the third type in turning stair is geometrical type of stair. These geometrical stairs have strings and handrails, continuous and are set out in accordance with geometrical principles. They may be circular, spiral, helical, or even elliptical types. So these are the various shapes of the turning stairs. Now let's see the various types of turning stairs. This turning stair is of various types. First is quarter turn stair. Quarter turn stair is the one which changes its direction either to or to the right. The turn being affected either by introducing a quarter space landing or by providing winders. Okay, these quarter turn stair are of various types, like a naval quarter turn stair, or you can say geometrical quarter turn stair. Okay. First is naval quarter turn stair. These stairs have conspicuous naval posts at the beginning and at the end of the flight. At the quarter turn, there may be either quarter space landing or there may be dividers. Two forms of this type are shown in these figures. First is with quarter space landing and second is with winders. Okay, so you can clearly see the quarter space landing is provided when one portion of flight is completed. While in B figure, you can clearly see there is a continuous type of stair, so the winders are provided. Okay, B type is geometrical quarter turn stair. In geometrical stairs, the stringers as well as handrail is continuous with no level post at the landing. Okay, there are two forms of this geometrical quarter turn stair: with landing or without landing. Okay, or continuous you can say. Okay, so these are the two uh, forms of this quarter turn stairs. Second type of turning stair is half turn stairs. Let's discuss half-turn stairs. Half-turn stair is one which has its direction reverse or change for 180 degree. You can clearly see the image of half-turn stair. One flight is in one direction and the second flight is exactly on opposite direction. Such stairs are quite common in number of residential buildings. This half-turn stair is further divided into three types: dog-legged or you can say naval half-turn stair, open naval half-turn stair, and geometrical half-turn stair. First is dog-ledge or naval half-turn stairs. This name is given because of its appearance in sectional elevation. It comes under the category of naval stairs in which naval posts are provided at beginning and end of each flight. Okay, so you can clearly see in section naval post is provided at beginning as well as end of each flight. This dog-leg stair is further divided into two parts with half space landing and with quarter space landing and winders. Okay, generally without winders is more common as shown in this figure. Okay, there is no space between outer strings of two flights. Okay, so in between two flights there is no particular space is provided in dog-leg naval half-turn stairs. Second is open naval half-turn stairs. It has space or well between two outer strings. Okay, this is the only aspects in which it differs from the dogleg stair. The additional width is required between two flights. The space between the two strings may vary from 15 centimeter minimum to 100 centimeter. Okay, you can clearly see the space between or you can say well between two strings in the plan. Okay, when the space left is more, a small slide containing 2 to 4 steps may be introduced at the turning between two quarter space landings as shown in figure. Okay, otherwise for small width well half space landing may be provided as shown in this figure. Okay, you can use half space landing or you can use quarter space landing and intervening flight. Okay, third type of half turn stair is geometrical half turn stair. The essential feature of such stair are that the stringers and the handrails intervening the naval posts. This may be either with half space or you can say continuous without any intervening naval post. This may be either with half space landing or without landing, which is shown in figure A and figure B. In figure A, the geometrical half-turn stair is with half space landing, and in figure B, geometrical half-turn stair is with continuous type of steps. Okay, so that's all about the half-turn stair. Now let's see the third type of turning stair, which is three-quarter turn stair. A three-quarter turn stair has its direction changed 3 times with its upper flight crossing the bottom one. Okay, it may either be naval type or open naval type. Such type of stair is used when the length of the stair room is limited and when the vertical distance between two floors is quite large. In this type of cases, three-quarter turn stair is used. And the fourth type is bifurcated stair. You can clearly see the image of bifurcated stair here. This type of stair is commonly used in public buildings at their entrance hall. The stair has wider flight at the bottom, which bifurcates into two narrower flights, one turning to the left and at the other to the right at the landing. It may be either of naval type with a naval post as shown in figure or of geometrical type as shown in the right portion of the figure with continuous stringer and the handles. Okay, that's all about turning type of stairs. Now let's see the last type of stair, which is continuous stairs. These are those which do neither have any landing nor any intermediate naval post. They are therefore geometrical in shape. There are three types of continuous stairs: circular stairs, spiral stair, and helical stair. The circular stair have steps in circular motion. Spiral stair is exactly shown in 14.10 figure. Such a stair is usually made either of RCC or metal and is employed location where there are space limitations. These are also used as emergency stairs and are provided at the back side of the building. Okay, all the steps are the winder steps. The stair is therefore not comfortable to rise. Okay, so this is called a spiral type of stair. You can clearly see elevation as well as plan of spiral stair in figure 14.10. Okay, next is helical stair. A helical stair you can clearly see in 14.11 figure. It looks very fine, but its structural design and construction is very complicated. Okay, it is made of RCC in which large portion of steel is required to resist bending, shear, and torsion. So, based on economy wise, you can say helical stair is more costlier than spiral stair. Okay, so this is called as continuous stair, where there is no landing is provided. Okay, that's all about the various types of stairs. Thank you for watching.